In this guide, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So the first thing you want to do is select the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then select the 3 lines in the top right corner now. Once you're in settings under your account, select Account Center at the top, and then you want to scroll down to Account Settings, and from here select Personal Details. Now once you're here, select Account Ownership and Control at the bottom, and then we're going to select deactivation or deletion. So now you want to select the Instagram account. You want to delete permanently, and then you want to scroll down in this section and select delete account. Now I recommend you read this section to understand what you're deleting, and if you're okay with it, select continue at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you why you're deleting your Instagram account, and you do have to answer. So I'm going to select something else at the bottom and press continue, and you'll have to enter in your Instagram account password just to prove it's your account, and then you just want to press continue to complete the process. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.